everybody. Today we have the SA103. It's a carbon monoxide gas alarm, and it's made by GZAIR. It has a 5-year electrochemical sensor, accurately detects the real-time CO level, IP67 Waterproof Rated, shockproof, passes 20 feet drop test, battery life up to 2 years, 9-volt lithium battery, detects carbon monoxide from 1 to 1000 ppm with 1 ppm resolution, visual, audio, and vibration alarms. It's portable, lightweight design with the layer 1-year manufacturer warranty. You could use this indoors, tents, stoves, heatings, vehicles, and other confined spaces. As you can see, it comes with a booklet. It's well wrapped, small device. You could take it to camping, travel, take it on your car. Great device to have as a protection. I really recommend this device. Perfect. It comes with a clip on it, so you could actually install this clip and then you could hang it anywhere. Perfect. This is very perfect. I really like this idea where you could actually clip on it and hang it. You could buy this device on the website. I'll put a link here so you guys see that. You could also buy this on Amazon for about $116. And here's the link to it. Perfect device. Works perfect. I'm gonna give you guys a demonstration. I'm gonna put it behind my car and you can see it beep. So go to the website and get this. Really recommend this for any type of situation.